Which fruit looks like a pine cone but tastes like an apple? Pineapple is named for looking like a pine cone but tasting like an apple. Which fruit was once a favorite of Chinese emperors? Lychee was considered a luxury fruit in Imperial times. Which fruit's name is also a color? Orange is both a fruit and a color name. Which fruit grows in clusters and is often fermented to make wine? Grapes are grown worldwide and are the main ingredient for wine. Which fruit has been enjoyed in China for over 2,000 years? Lychee has been cultivated in China since ancient times.
Thanks for watching! Come back